accompanying my husband searching for the right size of wood that he would make into a fence around the kubo that we are making, which is almost done, and showing you the bushes, the tall trees all around, and hopefully these trees will grow tall and big and older, so that generate they would generate oxygen and make air in this area cleaner. Hello everyone, I am here again in the province where we are visiting right now. We started our day early. We went to Bantayan Poblacion in the morning to buy materials to build a makeshift fence, and after that we came here and it rained a little, it showered, and it is just a bright sunny day now. I am here on this view, and we hope that with God's blessings we can do it. This used to be planted with corn like on the other side, but for many years now nothing is grown here. So hopefully we will be planting this with crops like sweet potato or kamote. We could also plant squash here, and perhaps banana trees and other vegetables which we can easily harvest when we make the small hut available for us to stay here. We can cook a little, so we can just harvest or pick up vegetables very near where we are. This has been left unattended for so many years, and over there near the tower is my uncle's plot of land. He has already died, but his children are very much around and interested in cultivating their part of this land. On the other side is the part of the land which belongs to to the sister of my mother, and they have already visited the place and are planning to also take care of it, because we all are living in the city, and none of my nephews and nieces and my cousins do not live here. There are cell towers. You can see them, one here and the other one on the other side. So internet connection is available. It has been raining, sometimes strong rain showers, and there are times also when the rain stops and the sun shines, but it is mostly windy here in the couple of days. That is why work on the hut is not very fast. The workers, there are 3 of them. The couple are the owners, and one who helped them also could not fully work on it completely throughout the day because of the weather. If you have any suggestions of what to plant, you can comment perhaps, so that you will have an idea what to plant here. As you can see, there are grasses all over, and one of our difficulty is that the farmer who had a carabao, who used to till places here, used to till land here using his carabao, has sold his carabao and is not available to plow fields here anymore. So maybe we can rent a small tractor who can till, cultivate the soil so that it would loosen. But that remains to be seen. We have to contact people to help us here. So that is for today, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Consider subscribing.